When you and I show a concern for others, Allah Almighty appoints those who will show concern for us. If you are not concerned for what is going on around you, that is your own destruction and the destruction of communities and societies. Because if I am not going to ensure that my brother is safe from drowning, a day will come when I am on the same boat and I shall drown too. And the beauty is Allah's help comes only to those who are busy helping others. When Allah did not need you and I to help others, He could have done it on His own. But in His divine system, He has kept it such that I want to give you the opportunity. I want to give you the chance. Yet I could do it without you. Do you really think Allah needs me to help those people? Allah does not need me, but He has given me an opportunity. And by the way, not only those people, but even those around me right now who might be struggling. When any cause comes to you, it is Allah who made it come to you. What are you going to do about it? You need to have a good heart, number one. Pray, number two. Reach out through your prayers, show a concern, and then do whatever you can to help. And Allah will help you as a result.